If you're a homeowner in Sanford looking for ways to increase your property's value, you might be overlooking one of the simplest upgrades: your doors. While things like kitchen remodels and landscaping get most of the attention, a new door installation can make a big difference in both the appearance and resale value of your home. Whether you're thinking about selling soon or just want to make smart improvements, installing new doors is a small change that delivers major returns. First impressions matter. Your front door is one of the first things people see. It sets the tone for your entire home. If your current door is faded, dented, or out of style, it can give visitors and potential buyers the wrong impression. A new door instantly freshens up your home's curb appeal and gives it a more modern and well-cared-for look. In a competitive housing market like Sanford, that first impression could be the difference between getting an offer or getting passed over. Even small visual upgrades, like adding a pop of color or choosing a sleek, updated style, can help your home stand out. Buyers notice these details, and many associate a newer, solid-looking door with overall quality and maintenance. Better energy efficiency. The old doors can let air leak in and out, which drives up heating and cooling costs. A professionally installed new door, especially one with insulation or energy-efficient materials, helps seal your home. This keeps warm air inside during winter and blocks heat during Sanford's hot summers. Energy efficiency is a big selling point for today's buyers, who are more eco-conscious and budget-minded than ever before. Some doors even come with energy ratings, so you can show buyers real numbers on how much they can save on utility bills. That's not just a nice perk, it's a reason to choose your home over others. Added security and peace of mind. Security is another key concern for homeowners. Newer doors, especially solid core or steel options, offer more protection than older, hollow models. Upgraded locks, reinforced frames, and smart locking systems are now built into many modern doors. When buyers see that you've invested in a secure, reliable entrance, it gives them confidence. For current homeowners, a new door isn't just about looks, it's about feeling safe. Whether it's the front door, a patio slider, or the garage entry, updating it can provide peace of mind for you and your family. Increased home value. While it's hard to put an exact dollar amount on every upgrade, door replacements consistently rank high in terms of return on investment. According to national trends, a quality new entry door can recoup up to 70 to 75% of its cost at resale. In a desirable area like Sanford, where homes are in demand, even minor improvements can help boost listing prices or speed up the selling process. It's not just about the main entry, either. Replacing interior doors, upgrading to French doors for your patio, or adding a stylish sliding barn door can all make your home feel more modern and high-end. These touches often show up in buyer wish lists and can help your home leave a lasting impression. It's a simple, smart upgrade. Unlike major renovations that take weeks or even months, most door installations can be completed in a single day with minimal disruption. It's a quick, affordable way to update your home without the stress of a full remodel. In summary, a new door does more than just swing open and shut. It boosts curb appeal, improves energy efficiency, adds security, and increases your home's overall value. If you're in Sanford and thinking about ways to improve your property, consider starting with something simple that brings big results: a new door.